Goodbye, Virgil. No! Ah. Oh, hi, Awe. Hey, look, I survived. Table time! Mystery. The show pages are fully climax have. Mad disaster.
I'm not taking any hostages. He's riddled with lies.
Ha. Ha ha. Has anybody seen the Iberian? There's like too many villagers in my pool. Hey guys, let's play a game of Villager Tag. No, thank you. We want to play Villager Tag. What is this? Whoa! A secret underworld entrance to a train? Guys, let's see what's in these trains. Guys, I just noticed something. People are coming to my secret base and I think it'll be too much. Well, how we have this? Let's solve this in the game. Virgil, are you listening? So, we're playing Find Good Glasses, Virgil. Wait, what?
It is a terrible day for mankind. I am remembering that when it was the dark side of how do you feel about the offense? I'm a coach. Me too. I'm a motion. What's happening? Wait a minute. Go. But I don't want to go. It's scary. Do you want to be a goat instead?
Alright, villagers, we're playing a game today. It's the evening. What's the game called? It's called Find Glasses, Virgil. He's sitting in a secret base, but you guys have to find his location. Begin now. Go. I'll just improvise. Go. He must be on the key. IKEA is his favorite place. There's no villagers here. This place is empty. Hello. Okay. Go to you. Help me. Go on. Yeah, he's definitely not here. We'll have to get through the tunnel entry. So, was he not here? No! Okay, maybe he's somewhere around this town. No. Maybe we can... Oops. Oh, what we're going to say is it the train station? Or Glasses Village's secret base. We can tell we're here sometime again. But the issue is we cannot come. Oh, the issue is that we're stuck underground. Wait a minute, we're stuck underground? The episode cannot continue without us being outside. Oh, okay, yeah, we escaped. What's wrong, Villager? Enemy! You got me out of it! Oh, that was weird. Okay. Okay, so if I was a villager, where would they hide? Definitely not here at the gym. Obviously not the IKEA. Maybe it's in this water fountain, eh? Oh. Okay, check that his face is not in the water fountain. Let me check to find him again. If I'm correct, it must be somewhere around this place. Oh, look, I have a GPS. GPS. Search for Glasses Village's secret base. Go left. Wait, it's you gotta go left. Where is he? Where is his base? Well, what GPS is saying, turn right. You gotta go right. Turn right. Okay. Up. We've been finding it for a very long time, and we cannot find your base.
You're wasting so much time! You suck! And your plan sucks! Hey! I don't see you doing anything! You know what? You're right. Sometimes I forget that other people have feelings too. I'll keep my angry outbursts to myself.
Villager! Look! Villager! Look! The GPS is saying something! Continue going straight. It's right there! Come on, guys! Go! Go! This must be where his base is.
Smell the food! Smell the food!
Guys! Let's check in here. It's over for your Glasses Villager because we found your base. What? Okay, space is in here. Wait, my GPS is tracking something. His secret base is in the pool. Wait, what? Ha. I can see his base. on, go attack! What? Attack! This toy round blind, guys, wait, no! Guys, stop fighting! Okay, his base is now. No, 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 no! Huh? Is that it? I see the base! Ah! Here we go! No! I cannot hold my rival at one. Stop! Let go! Ah! So much fire! Say goodbye! But what's happening? Something's happening with the wire. That might be the base. It's flooded. If I were looking for you, I would escape in my secret tiny escape pod. Help! Yes! Yeah! Everybody's coming out of the wire! Oh no! Got him! Ah! No! Guys, good news! We got glasses villager! Yay! We got glasses villager!
I was walking back to my home. I had just reached the gate when all of a sudden, boom! I arrived at the gate. The giant monster come to our lives to destroy the non-believers.
Daddy, I'm sorry! Jeez! Why do people keep falling? Because I get some decisive. Hey! Why is there another villager you are zombie by billion? Get the two villagers out of here! Ah! No! No! Yeah! Wicked tree!
See, it's business as usual here in the village. We place all of our trust in the man and his plan. What is this?
Okay. Does it mean the episode's finished? I guess so. Whoa, water! Splash!